Get ready to be amazed! Today, we're showcasing the incredible machinery, changing the game in forestry and wood processing. From colossal tree removal machines to mind-blowing precision tools, we've got it all covered. First, let's dive into the impressive task of felling large trees. The steel MS-880, with its 59-inch bar, expertly fells trees up to 1.2 meters in diameter, showcasing precision and power in clearing towering giants, facilitating new growth and land development. Witness the sheer power of the Baker 3650E sawmill, handling logs up to 20 meters long and 60 inches in diameter. Equipped with 500 horsepower engines, this system ensures high efficiency and precision in large-scale timber processing. The Moorbark 1300 tub grinder, powered by a 1000 horsepower engine, processes up to 50 tons per hour. With its 13 feet diameter tub, it's ideal for land clearing, mulch production, and bioenergy, efficiently handling large volumes of wood waste. Doosan D160-7 is a robust diesel forklift with a 16,000 kilograms lifting capacity and a maximum lifting height of 216.5 inches. It features a powerful 218 horsepower engine and advanced hydraulic system designed for heavy-duty timber handling and challenging work environments. Witness the remarkable transformation of a rare redwood tree, measuring 40 feet long and 6 feet in diameter. A lathe with an 8-foot blade efficiently removes the bark, and then, with the skillful hands of the artisan, the beauty shape of the vase gradually emerges. Woodcracker C550 efficiently handles trees up to 55 centimeters in diameter with a cutting force of 120 tons. This robust machine can process trees weighing up to 6,000 kilograms and handle heights up to 15 meters. With a maximum reach of 10.3 meters and a 335 kilowatts engine, the Komatsu 901XC is an excellent forestry machine, capable of cutting trees up to 800 millimeters in diameter and 6.4 meters high. It delivers high productivity and precision for various logging tasks. The Woodcracker W820 is up next, which excels with a cutting force up to 60 tons, featuring a 120 centimeter blade and hydraulic pressure of 350 bar. It is ideal for handling large timber in industrial applications. The Stump's Shear 1270 efficiently tackles stumps and wood up to 50 inches in diameter, with cutting forces around 300 to 400 tons, ideal for heavy-duty stump removal and land clearing. It features a hydraulic pressure up to 5,800 psi. The TT4 is a robust tractor ideal for forestry tasks. With a 120 horsepower engine, it boasts a wind pull force of 16,000 pounds. Let's see how it overcomes this muddy challenge. The truck P16, with a 150-ton payload capacity and 800 horsepower engine, is designed for transporting massive timber loads. Its 14-meter length and heavy-duty features ensure efficient logging operations and heavy equipment transport. The Fend 936 Vario with 360 horsepower pairs with the Gens Hem 561Z chipper, capable of processing logs up to 56 centimeters in diameter at a throughput of 300 cubic meters per hour. This combination ensures efficient, high-capacity wood chipping for extensive forestry operations. Westech Woodcracker L delivers up to 50 tons of splitting force, handling logs up to 70 centimeters in diameter, ideal for heavy-duty wood processing. It efficiently splits large logs with a hydraulic pressure of 350 bar. The Scania R540 logging truck with a robust 540 horsepower engine and 44,000 kilograms efficiently handles up to 30 tons of timber. Its durable hydraulic system and heavy-duty design makes it perfect for demanding forestry tasks.